guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up your clips on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to speed up a lot of clips at once and you just don't want the hassle of speeding it up one by one. So I'm just going to add these clips, and so I'm just going to, as you can see, if I speed up one video, it won't be applied to all of it. So what I'm going to do is right click on the video and create compound clip. This way I can go to speed and speed it up together, but doing this, it won't be accurate to each of the clips because they are all in different speeds. I guess if you want it to be super accurate though, you do have to do it one by one, but this is just another way to do it. If I undo compound clip, oh yeah, it's not going to be in the same speed, but that is basically it really. That's the only way. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!